What's up, Keto Kings and Queens? Today I'm going to show you how to make a super quick and easy air-fried pork chop meal that the entire family can enjoy even if you're not on keto. So I grabbed me a few pork chops and I doused them in this garlic-infused olive oil by Private Selection that I found at my local Kroger. Then I used some of this Jack Daniel's pork rub seasoning, which gives it an amazing flavor without having to add in a list of different seasonings. After coating everything evenly, I went ahead and put this in my air fryer oven on 395 degrees for 10 minutes. This entire meal came together in no time. Making it this way will get you a perfect meal every single time. For my first side, I made coleslaw, which I have only ever made it with just salt, pepper, and Duke's mayo. This is a very versatile side, so definitely have fun with it. These were looking and smelling so good already. For my second side, I went with broccoli florets that I had frozen, and I just topped them off with some of this garlic butter, popped it in the microwave, and steamed it for about 4 minutes. When it was done, I set that to the side, and to finish this meal off, I made some garlic cheese toast using my favorite keto bread. If you want to know more about it, definitely go to my page and check out my bread review video on this brand. And here you have it, a delicious, simple meal for anybody. Like, comment, share, and please follow for more, and let me know in the comments your favorite keto or low-carb recipes.